10 towns in England that once thrived but now feel different. Some towns don't collapse overnight. Instead, the change is quiet. The factories close, the crowds fade, and one day locals look around and realise the place they grew up in feels different. Across England, there are towns that once buzzed with energy. Industrial powerhouses, busy ports, thriving markets. Yet today, something about them has shifted. In this video, we're counting down 10 towns in England that once thrived but now feel different, ranked from 10 to 1, with number 1 being the most striking example. And trust me, the town at number 1 tells a powerful story. 10. Burnley, Lancashire. Burnley was once one of the great textile towns of the industrial world. During the 19th century, its skyline was packed with mill chimneys, and the town became a global centre for cotton weaving. At one point, Burnley had one of the highest concentrations of looms anywhere on earth. Thousands of workers filled the factories every morning, and the town thrived on industry. Today, many of those mills are silent. Some have been converted into apartments or offices, while others stand as reminders of Burnley's industrial past. Walk through the town and you can still see the red brick mill buildings that once powered the local economy. Burnley still has a proud community and a strong identity, but the energy of the textile era is long gone. And the next town tells a similar story. 9. Sculthorpe, Lincolnshire. Sculthorpe grew into one of Britain's most important steel towns. For decades, its giant steelworks dominated both the skyline and the local economy. Entire neighbourhoods were built around the industry, and thousands of families depended on the furnaces that burned day and night. At its peak in the mid-20th century, steel produced here helped build railways, bridges, and infrastructure across Britain. But global competition and changes in industry gradually reduced the scale of operations. Today, steel is still produced in Sculthorpe, yet the workforce is far smaller than it once was. Many locals remember when the town's economy revolved entirely around the steelworks. The huge industrial structures remain visible from miles away, a reminder of the era when Sculthorpe's future felt unstoppable. 8. Barrow-in-Furness, Cumbria. Barrow-in-Furness once transformed from a small coastal village into a booming industrial town almost overnight. In the late 19th century, shipbuilding and steel production turned Barrow into one of the fastest-growing towns in Britain. Massive shipyards lined the docks, and thousands of workers arrived to take part in the boom. At one time, Barrow was among the world's leading shipbuilding centres. Today, the shipyard still operates and remains important for naval construction, but the town's industrial scale is smaller than during its peak years. Walking through Barrow, you can still see Victorian buildings and wide streets that were built during the era of rapid expansion. The town remains historically important, but its golden age of industrial growth feels like another era entirely. 7. Fleetwood, Lancashire. Fleetwood was once an important fishing port in northwest England. During the 19th and early 20th centuries, fleets of trawlers sailed from its docks into the Irish Sea and beyond. The harbour bustled with activity, and the fishing industry supported thousands of jobs. The town even had special railway connections designed to move fresh fish quickly across the country. But over time, the fishing industry declined due to changing regulations, economics, and technology. Today, Fleetwood still has its iconic lighthouse, historic harbour, and seaside charm, but the large fleets that once filled the docks are mostly gone. The town remains a quiet coastal community with a proud heritage, yet the days when fishing defined everyday life have largely passed. 6. Rotherham, South Yorkshire. Rotherham grew into a major industrial powerhouse during the Industrial Revolution. Coal mining, steel making, and engineering drove the town's economy for generations. Huge factories and foundries provided jobs for thousands of workers, and the town became closely tied to the industrial growth of South Yorkshire. For much of the 20th century, Rotherham thrived on heavy industry, but like many industrial towns across northern England, economic shifts led to factory closures and major changes to the local economy. Today, Rotherham continues to evolve with new developments and regeneration projects. Older industrial buildings and former factory sites still mark the landscape, quietly reminding visitors of the town's powerful industrial past. 5. Grimsby, Lincolnshire. Grimsby was once one of the largest fishing ports in the world during the mid-20th century. At its height, hundreds of trawlers operated from its docks, and the fishing industry supported thousands of workers across the town. The port was so busy that fish markets operated around the clock. Grimsby became synonymous with Britain's fishing industry, but the industry declined dramatically during the late 20th century due to changing fishing policies, economic shifts, and reduced fleets. Today, the town still has a strong maritime identity, and seafood processing remains an important local business. Walk along the docks, and you can still imagine the time when Grimsby's harbour was packed with trawlers returning from the North Sea. 4. Barnsley, South Yorkshire. Barnsley was once one of Britain's most important coal mining towns. For generations, coal shaped daily life here. Mines surrounded the town, and thousands of miners worked underground to power Britain's factories and railways. Entire communities were built around the pits. When the coal industry declined during the late 20th century, many of those mines closed, dramatically changing the town's economic foundation. Today, Barnsley has undergone regeneration and development with new retail areas, cultural spaces, and business investment. The mining heritage remains deeply woven into the town's identity and history. 3. Blackpool, Lancashire. Blackpool was once Britain's ultimate seaside playground. During the mid-20th century, millions of holidaymakers travelled here every year. The famous promenade, Blackpool Tower, and bright illuminations made the town one of the most visited holiday destinations in the country. For many British families, a trip to Blackpool became a beloved tradition. But the rise of affordable overseas travel changed everything. As more people began vacationing abroad, the number of domestic seaside holidays gradually declined. Blackpool still attracts millions of visitors annually and continues to reinvent itself with new attractions. Yet the town still carries a powerful sense of nostalgia for the golden age of British seaside holidays. 2. Oldham, Greater Manchester. Oldham was once one of the most important cotton spinning towns on earth. In the late 19th and early 20th centuries, the town produced huge quantities of cotton textiles exported around the world. Massive spinning mills filled the skyline, and thousands of workers powered the industry. At one point, Oldham had more cotton spindles than any other town globally. But as the textile industry declined throughout the 20th century, many of those mills closed. Today, some of the historic mill buildings remain, repurposed for housing or businesses. Oldham continues to evolve as part of Greater Manchester, but the legacy of its textile past is still visible across the town. 1. Middlesbrough, North Yorkshire. Few towns illustrate industrial rise and change quite like Middlesbrough. In the 19th century, Middlesbrough exploded from a small settlement into a major industrial centre almost overnight. The discovery of ironstone nearby turned the town into a global hub for iron and steel production. Within decades, it became known as Ironopolis. Massive blast furnaces lit up the night sky, and Middlesbrough helped build railways, ships, and infrastructure across Britain and beyond. But over time, the decline of heavy industry transformed the town's economy. Like many towns across England, these places still have active communities, and modern life continues alongside their historic industries. Today, Middlesbrough continues to evolve with new developments, education institutions, and regeneration projects, while the story of Ironopolis remains one of the most powerful examples of how industry can shape and reshape a town. Across England, these towns tell stories of industry, resilience, and change. Places that once powered the nation still carry echoes of their busiest days. History hasn't vanished, it lingers in the streets. And if you look closely, you'll notice many more towns where the past still quietly shapes the present. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.